اقرأ باسم ربك
اقرأ
الذي
باسم
خلق.
ربك الذي خلق.
Okay, so we started now. Huh. Wali.
Okay, so waliyuna.
Is it waliyuna? Is there any mad after the ya?
No.
No, so why did you say waliyu? It's waliyuna. Yuna. Dammah is a short vowel. Amru.
Waliyuna.
This one. Huh. Double shaddah.
Waliyuna.
This one. Pay attention, use
Two
your finger.
shaddas. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. This is layu. Layuwa.
Stop on the lam.
Layuwa.
Wal. La you wal. What?
Wal. I said okay. La. I can't.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Okay. This is layuwa.
Stop on the lam. La you wal.
Okay. Walunna.
Okay, I want you to read it as a word, Amro. Okay.
But
One.
okay, so this is layuwa waluna.
Is it Luna? Is it Luna? Luna. It's la you wal luna. Okay, forget about this word and read this one. This one.
Okay, this is yasuddunaka.
Perfect. Like that. This one.
This is kulluhunna.
Hunna. Kulluhunna. Huh. This one. Double shadda.
Double shadda. So this is ummi.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Ummi. Huh?
Okay. Ummiyuna. Did I read it?
That was perfect, Amru, but I want you to do it more quickly than that, okay? This one.
This is ribbiyuna.
Ribbiyuna. This one.
Ribbiyuna. This is aliyuna.
Wait. That was good, Amru.
Okay, this is wayuhibbuna.
Perfect. Huh. Remember.
Okay. So
yes,
the top word first,
yes, the top
and then
one, and then the bottom one. Yes.
Okay. All right. Tuhibbuna.
Good. This one.
Okay. This is yaqussuna.
Yaqussuna. Yaqussuna. More confidently, Amru, okay?
Oh, like what does that mean?
Mean that I want you to be more confident when you're reading the word, okay?
Okay, this is
I don't want you to have anything like hesitation or anything, okay?
Alright, so
don't hesitate. Yes.
So yamunnuna.
Yes, that's better. Yamunnuna. Yes.
This is yuwalluna.
Yuwalluna. Yes. Huh. What about this alif?
Alif?
This one.
Oh, do you read it?
No. What did you say about this?
Oh, okay.
You're
Like
gonna
the shape of it?
Yes, skip it.
I didn't pronounce. Oh, okay. So this is Bashud
تشدوا. Huh.
This is وأعدوا.
وأعدوا. Yes. This one.
This is وهموا.
وهموا. This.
وهموا.
Mhm.
This is وصموا. وصموا.
وصموا. This.
فحيوا.
أيو.
Okay. This is تسبوا. تسبوا.
Huh. Yes.
This is صلوا.
صلوا.
وأصروا.
وأصروا. Perfect. Huh.
This word is okay. أضلوا.
Don't make it that long. It's not that long, Amro, okay? It's not that long. It's only 2 pieces. أضلوا, okay?
Like if I added a billion words.
What? What did you say?
I said it's like the longer you wait.
Yes.
Wait, is there a word like that is like longer than like is there like a word
Yes,
that's like
you
that?
you are practicing. Yes, yes, perfect. You are practicing here in this book, Amru, because I'm preparing you to read from the Quran, from the Mus'haf. Okay? Ma.
And this is maru.
Yes, marru.
Wait.
This one.
Oh,
The
okay.
upper letter first. The one at the top.
Wait, but what's the one that, it's the yeah, okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. يخرون.
Yes, good. That's good.
This word is يصدون.
Great, Amru. Great. And this?
This is وأيوب.
And this one?
تولوا.
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 This one?
This is لمورا. Okay.
لموا.
لموا فوهم.
لموفو. لموفوهم. This one?
Okay. All right. Upper letter first.
Yes.
Okay.
Upper letter
This
first.
This is تحسونهم.
تحسونهم. Yes, great. Okay, now, can you remember when we talk about Hamzatul wasl in the middle of a word or a middle of a sentence, you will skip it, okay? You will consider it as it's not exist, okay? But what if this is, yes, it's alif that has the head of sad above. This one, can you remember this? This one. This is alif has the head of sad above. This is the head of sad.
Yeah.
Right? So this is sad. This is the head of sad, right?
Wait, I just realized something. So,
yeah, what is it?
So every time we see this, we say it as a non-exists, right?
Yes, because you're gonna skip it, okay?
But is there like an actual pronunciations for this? For the alif with the tiny saw?
It's only when you will start reading by this, okay? If you're gonna start reading, you will, of course, you will pronounce it. But okay, you will skip it only in one case, okay? If it comes to you in the middle of a word while reading. I didn't hear you. What did you say?
But does it have its like very own pronunciation? Like its own?
Yes, we will study this now. Okay, so pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay.
Okay.
This is the first
All right.
case. You will consider this what I'm talking about. This is the first case of hamzatul wasl. Okay, hamzatul wasl in the middle of a word or a middle of a sentence. It's not going to be pronounced. It's unpronounced letter. Okay, you will skip it. Okay. What if it's followed by empty lam? Lam that has nothing above, doesn't have fatha, dhamma, kasra, sukun, anything. This is empty lam. So in this case, you will skip both letters, Amro. Okay, you will skip both letters. Okay, you will skip hamzat al-wasl and also the empty lam. Okay, and you will make a bridge. Can you remember the bridge? From here.
Yeah, I know the bridge.
Okay, now can you read this now?
We always do the bridge.
Yes,
Yeah, the bridge.
I love bridges.
Yeah.
Come on, can you read now?
So this is minal.
Minal. This is the heavy lam. Minallah.
Minallahi.
Yes.
Or wait.
Perfect. Yes, it's minallahi. Yes, that's good. Come on. Hamzat al-wasl here is not followed by empty lam. It's followed by lam sakin. So I'll pronounce it. Okay. So you will skip only hamzat al-wasl.
We got
Also, wait a second. No, you will also skip the mad and hamzat al-wasl. Okay. So you will dump from here.
And we easy bridging.
Yes.
Okay.
Easy lemon squeezy. Huh.
All right. This is fal
or fil.
fil harbi.
Fil harbi. I told you more confidently than that. Fil harbi. This one.
Fil harbi.
What's happening? This one. So you will skip the mad and also hamzat al-wasl. Remember. Okay, can you make the bridge for me? Show me.
Huh? Oh, the bridge.
Show the bridge. Yes, where is it?
Okay. So I think.
Yeah.
So I think we need to skip. Wait. So wait. No, we gotta skip this.
Yes.
And this.
Perfect.
And then we make a bridge just like that.
That's perfect. Come on. Read now.
Okay. So this is mal qari'atu.
Two. Yes, mal qari'atu. That's good.
I said two. Oh wait, how do I erase this?
Wait a second, I'll do it. You know something?
Yeah.
In this one, you will skip more than 2 letters. Right?
Wait, really? You skip more than 2 letters?
Yes, you can tell me.
Well, like the more. Wait.
Yes.
Wait. So do you skip this?
Yeah, that's it. Come on. Yes.
Okay, so this is matariqu.
That was good, Amru. Wait a second. I must give you lots of points today.
Wait, lots of points?
Yes, maybe 10 points. What do you think? I will give you 5 for the teamwork because we're a really good team, okay? And also I will give you 5 for being perfect, okay?
Yeah, we're a really good team.
Yeah, it's a really good team.